Oh, day 12 na. Some mornings, wala akong mail. The light hits everything just right. No mail today. You yawn and head downstairs. Oh, have you been here long? Oh, si Held. I'm patient. I remembered, Mamma Mia, yesterday when we were dancing. I remembered that I forgot to remember to think about Senshi. Guess what? I didn't have to think at all. I desire to have a blanket, finally. Cozy. I can't make you a cozy blanket. Sorry, I was imagining. Imagining what a not cozy blanket would be like. I'm glad mine will be the normal kind of blanket. It will be the only cozy thing, you know. Hi, Yellow! Welcome to the stream! When I leave, you're leaving? Wait, let me pour some tea. Hello, Yellow! Bakit gising ka na naman? May pasok ka pa mamaya, di ba? Hello, everybody! My name is Mama Mia and welcome to Mama Mia Plays. Fine work. I started at day 10, so day 12 na tayo ngayon. Gising ka na naman, hindi naman sa ayaw kita dito, gusto kita dito, pero yung tulog mo, ipasok ka mamaya or wala? Yeah, not yet after the forum. Didn't I tell you? I like to get messed up, then get better. Then messed up, then get better again. I thought you meant the fighting. Oh, I did, probably. This kinda applies to everything I do. I'm a rescue delver. Ganun talaga isugal. For the protectorates. Oh, Protectorate, a volunteer-based rescue collective. The Protectorate's delvers help evacuate Muck from dangerous dreams. Ilang pang taong kailangan kong makilala? Isa na lang! Isa na lang! Pero anong ginagawa? Kumain ka ba? Kumain ka na ba? I save people. I go into destabilized dreams, like when Iris summon. Iris attacks aren't the most common dream rescue, but they are the most famous kind. What's the Protectorate? Is it part of the Monty? Yeah, sort of. Lots of things are Monty. Monty Manor's big. It spills into everything. The Protectorate was a Monty initiative. Ano pa? Baka kumain, iniisip ko pa. Huwag ka na mag-isip, kumain ka na. Ako, ako ano, the diet. Kailangan ko na mag-diet kasi pumiyok pa ang putik. Kailangan ko mag-diet kasi parang ayaw na katawan ko mag-diet ah. Ipiyok-piyok pa eh. Kailangan kong, ewan ko, mas uhawin ako, lalo na mainit na naman guys. Mainit na naman ulit. Ako kagagaling ko lang ng McDo dahil ang Mori-chan ay gusto ng McDo. Kasi graduation niya kanina. Meron na akong grade 1. May grade 1 na akong Junakis. So fast. Some of the volunteers are from High Shield, but a lot of regular people, like me. For an air attack, we work together. High Shield and the Protectorate. The Protectorate helps navigate the dream to find the Herald's Guild musicians so that the High Shield speaker, like Anya, can cast the edict, shut them up. Kaya nga, moving up ng Morris 1. And I'm happy naman, may award siya kanina, best, daw siya, reader, best in reading. Thank you. Marunong nga magbasa to eh, actually. Hindi namin siya tinuturuan noon nung 2 years old ata siya. Nung bigla na lang, alam niyo yung mga alphabet na nilalagay sa ref, yung magnetic alphabet. May ganun kami sa ref. Tapos, binabasa niya yung mga jam, ham, ganun. Nagulat kami, lo, marunong siya magbasa kagad, hindi pa naman namin siya tinuturuan. Hindi pa siya nagsuskool noon. Hindi pa siya nagkikinder 1. So, parang mga ata siya, mga 2 years old. What it's like to go into an IR attack. Oh, it's really, really not good. As IR approaches, everyone's thoughts bleed together. That's part that part's bad enough. If you lose yourself, you can mesh. Even before IRs arrive. But it's worse, because people know what's happening. They're terrified. Siya na ang nag-adjust. Tinuruan niya. Kaya nga, nagulat kami. Tapos parang hindi na rin kami nahirapan sa kanya na marunong siya magbasa ng solar system, yung mga planet. My goodness! Nahirapan lang siya yung mga parang pag may silent letter, doon lang siya nahirapan basahin kasi binabasa niya as is. Parang night. Ganon. Yung in-spell mo, N-I-G-H-T. Pero basa sa kanya, night. Nahirapan siyang basahin yon. All right, right, left. Ay, yung left kaya niya. Right, nahirapan siyang basahin no first. How do you stay sane in that? Oh, you don't. Rescue delving, not about staying sane. You gotta surrender a little to get anywhere in a dream gone bad. Whoa, sorry. I came here to see my friend and get a blanket. Not to get like scary and existential. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ayan, maglalaro na naman tayo. Magawa tayo, meron tayong clients. Which came first, strength or fighting? Strength before fighting. But another thing before strength. I wanted to be a place, like an island or a shady garden. Wanting to be a place made me really big. Then I figured fighting, because I was big and I got strong. Am I a place to you? When you talk to me, do you feel like you're within me? You are a place. You are a place. You can't see my face, but I'm looking at you with love. Oh, looking at you with love. Let's go. Love, love, love. I've already got a memory picked. It's a memory of a perfect day. Perfecter than all the rest. Let's do it. Easy. Siyempre easy tayo. Di pa tayo sanay. A bear. Hold space to wrap. Hey. Wala, mabilis. King ina. Mabilis. Ang bilis kasi! Ang bilis! So yan. Ay, ano ba yun? Diyos ko, ano yun? Ay, ayoko ng adept. Ayoko ng adept retry. Ang arte. Buti hindi ako namatay. Pero wait, ang bilis kasi. Humihirap na ng humihirap, ha? Gigil. Uy! Bitawan ko yung space. Yan. Okay. Perfectionist yarn. Hindi, kailangan maka-A lang ako, maka-A. Para ma-satisfy siya. Kailangan fine work. Hoy! Hoy! Ayan. Uy, putangin na mo! Uy! Pwede ba? Dali sa react ka! Sino yan? Uy! Sino yan? Ala, adept talaga! Yay! Umabot pa tayo sa letter A. Fine work. Yay! Yun. Tara! Gigil. Hello, Tara. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Halika, Mori. Say it to Tito Tara. Come on. Welcome to the stream. Nakatulong ba yon? Boost. Boots, this man. Kamusta? Kamusta? I'm speechless. It's like both of our souls mixed forever in one blanket. I get to wrap myself with me. I get to wrap myself with you. It's the most emotional charge blanket I've ever had. I think I'll show it around. It deserves to be somewhere nice before it sees somewhere bad. Ah. Bye, Mamma Mia. You heard the door open, but you never heard it close. I tested my hypothesis. This time I thought of not you, and it didn't ring your bell. Your mind bell. Ano to? You can't barge into my mind. Okay. But it feels rude. And I am not rude. You're not rude. That's true. You're not rude. A rude person would never be named darling. Never mind. I forgot about irony. A rude person could be named darling. Ay, tinutuloy natin yung fine work. Tinitingnan lang natin kung anong araw siya matatapos. So, nasa day 12 na ata ako. So, kahapon nagtapos tayo ng day 9. So, ngayon nasa day 12 na ako. I still don't know, but I'm going to know. I have a plan. I'm going to investigate everything with you. I have a perfect cover. I'm Darling, the blubber. And you are right there. Right in the information stream. You're a scent shaper. Nowhere of clients. Nowhere of the world. An interview. Like me. We're going to figure it out. Together! So, where should we start? What do you find most mysterious? The weird lines. I think Andres. Andres is mysterious. Andres, from the Undercity, yes. I already investigated by accident. I heard Andres and some really big person, lamenting about Mercy. Andres went on a delve and was betrayed by the whole crew. Andres versus everyone. Andres escaped, but didn't pith them. Andres showed mercy, but Andres wished Han hadn't. Something about a curse. Maybe a metaphor? Maybe not a metaphor. I don't know, because they saw me and stopped talking. Wow, we're such a good team, and we're just getting started. Pay attention, Mamma Mia. Pay attention to everything. We're gonna figure it out. All of it. Hello? XEL! Aha! Would you look at that? The only famous muck in Gleamhold together with one dinky shop. Please excuse us, darling, my darling. I must speak with Mamma Mia alone. I have a revelation. A revelation most wonderful and most private. How interesting. How mysterious. Right, Mamma Mia? Smell with your nose, hear with your ears, feel with your heart. Do it all, just like we talked about. We'll meet again. What a delightful creature. Exhale giggles to Hansel, then turn to face you as if remembering something of critical importance. The room darkens. She said, "You know it's just she said." Yet, with the look on Exhale's face, a strange, breathless look, you can't help but feel Exhale swallowed the light. Exhale leans in. Close. Are we alone? Never mind, it doesn't matter. I can't keep it any longer. Utok ka ba? Ba't kailangan mo pa lumapit? Mama, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Mama Mia, the Meridian Carol was wrong. They thought no one could ascend here. Least of all, me. But they miscalculated. Gleamhold is not more than what they thought. No, it's less. There's a void at the heart of Gleamhold. A growing void. Growing and waiting. Ha! Ha 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 ha! Ganyan ba yung mga tawa na naka-bold? Oh my God. I thought they were right. I accepted my fate. I planned my comeback. At nandidilim yung paningin ko sa game. Do you understand, Mamma Mia? Is Gleamhold giving? Am, am I taking? Both together in perfect synchrony. Gleamhold is the truth, trough of the wave, and I am the swell. There won't be a comeback, Mamma Mia. The wave is in motion. The crest is inevitable. I am Exile, and the city has called my name. Exile kisses your hand gently and leaves. Creepy! As the door closes, you expected light to return. It doesn't. Seaset after all, you think. You stand in the gloom. Mar? But Mar's not home. Then you hear something outside. Yes, someone's approaching. Hesitantly, you step outside. Who are you? Si Glimbel! We are here unexpectedly. We are being whimsical. Hail, si Danny tuloy. Greenbell and I thought mayhap you'd... Oh, Mamma Mia, are you all right? You seem out of sorts. I, Exile, might you fancy joining us? We are nurturing the soil and its greenness tonight and most nights. I.e., at the satellite. As you may know, we are both app listeners. Would you like to speak freely? Oh yes, we do much listening at the satellite. Shall we? At sumama naman daw ako! Oh my god. Greenbell leads the way. Greenbell strolls alongside Han's machine. And Danny walks alongside you, one of Han's forearms looped around your own. The future may be uncertain, but tonight, you're getting whimsical. Huh? Uy, tapos na! Uy, tapos na! Natapos natin yung game! So, ang tapos is day 12. Tapos... Tapos? Kasama ko si Greenbell at si Danay. So, hanggang day 12 pala. Hoy! Hoy! Mori, I'm done. Look at the game. It's done. It's finished.